Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. In today's video, we are going to see Sunday special lunch routine. For this today I have prepared egg biryani, badam gajar kheer or almonds carrot payasam. For this first I have kept milk for boiling. In meanwhile I am going to prepare ginger garlic paste and I'm going to boil the eggs for biryani. Take a required amount of water to boil the eggs. Add 2 spoons of salt. Adding salt removes the shell of eggs easily. The exact cooking time of egg is 9 minutes. On side by side I am keeping white rice for my younger ones. In meanwhile I grounded the ginger garlic paste and kept aside. Here I am going to grate carrot and slice the onions in an MasterChef jar of Preeti Zodaic. Here I have taken 2 medium sized carrots for gajar kheer. If you are grating in a hand grater, then choose the large size so that it looks like a semia kheer, but it tastes good. Try it once. Once finished grating the carrot, here it looks like this. And then I'm going to slice onions for biryani and raita. This MasterChef jar is really useful when we are in hurry. Thank you dad. My dad gifted me this on Sankranti. Meanwhile egg is also boiled. I have kept a pressure cooker and kadai for biryani and egg fry. Once oil is heated, add 1 spoon of chili powder and salt. Add the egg. I have slitted the egg and fry it for 30 seconds and transfer into a separate plate. Add the same oil into the pressure cooker which we have fried the egg. I am using the same oil for egg biryani. Add 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 3 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks, bay leaf and sort it well. Now add the sliced onion. Fry until onion becomes golden brown. Add required amount of salt so that the onion turns golden brown quickly. Add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Sort it well until raw smell goes from it. On the other hand, I am going to fry the onions for the egg biryani. Add chopped mint leaves. Here I have taken 1 handful of mint leaves. Once oil is heated, add first batch of sliced onions. Keep your flame on medium. Fry until onion becomes golden brown. Into a pressure cooker, add sliced tomatoes and cook until tomatoes become mashy consistency. In meanwhile, I am going to wash and soak the rice. Add 2 spoons of red chili powder, half a spoon of garam masala and required amount of salt, 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well. And let it cook for a while. On the other hand, onions have become golden and crispy. I'm going to add my second batch. This fried onion gives a sweet taste to the biryani. See the crispiness of fried onions. Now add the washed and soaked rice into the pressure cooker. Here I have taken 1½ glass of rice. So I am going to add 3 glasses of water. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss my any notifications. Mix it well. Add chopped coriander. Taste. If you want, you can add the salt and allow it to boil. Onions are fried. Once water becomes to the rolling boiling stage, add the boiled eggs and cover it with a lid and pressure it for up to 2 whistles on a medium flame. Here I am now going to prepare the gajar kheer. For this, take a vessel. Here I am going to add 10 to 20 almonds, dry roast it on medium flame for 30 seconds and transfer them into a plate. Into a pan, add 2 spoons of ghee. Once ghee is melted, add 10 cashews. Once cashews turn golden brown, add 10 to 15 raisins. Cook until raisins become balloon-like structure. Now add grated carrot and saute it well. On a medium-low flame. Now add 1 spoon of sugar and fry it well. Meanwhile, into a blender, add required amount of sugar for the kheer. And 4 to 5 cardamom and roasted almonds and blend into a coarse powder and keep aside. Now I am adding 2 glasses of milk, approximately half a liter of milk for 2 medium sized carrot. Mix it well and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. On other side, I have kept in tadka pan and added 2 spoons of ghee, and I am going to roast the cashews for the biryani. Keep your flame on low and roast. Once cashews turn golden brown, turn off the flame and keep aside. Once carrots are 70% cooked, add the blended coarse powder into the kheer and mix it well and cook for 5 minutes, and our gajar kheer is ready. And meanwhile, I have prepared my onion curd raita. Here I have missed a video clipping decorating the biryani with roasted onions and cashews. Once pressure is released, add the roasted cashews, ghee and onions on the biryani. Mix it gently and leave it for 5 minutes and serve into a serving plate. Here is our egg biryani. Yummy almonds, carrot, kheer and onion raita is ready. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. Don't forget to subscribe.